Are you necessarily going to get custody if you can prove your ex cheated on you? Well, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues right here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series, which is designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. You know, it's a great question because a lot of times the people who are in a relationship where somebody is cheated, they feel like tremendously victimized by the process. They feel that somebody did something wrong to them. They are the victim, and therefore they get all sorts of rights. Well, they may get certain rights. They have a right to seek a divorce, for one, but cheating rarely impacts the court's decision on custody. Why? Because the court doesn't judge the conduct of the parents in determining custody. The court really analyzes what's in the best interest of the child. Now, having said that, the moral fitness of the parties is one of the factors, and I suppose you could argue that this one cheated on me, therefore, they lack the moral fitness. On that factor, I should be the one to get the higher point value. I should prevail on that factor because this one cheated and I did not. And you know what? You're right. You may prevail on that factor. But remember one thing, that's one factor and there's 11 others. And that factor may not carry the day. The court has to decide whether or not it makes sense to, give the child to this parent versus that parent as a result of what's in that child's best interest. The court may very well find that even though there was an extramarital affair, that the relationship had already broken down, that this has been going on for a while, that it's the kind of thing that just happened, but it's not flaunted in the face of the child. It's not a lesson taught to the child. And all things considered, the cheater is still the better option. The court may find that. And it's not impossible. And I've seen it happen a lot. So don't expect that just because somebody cheated means you're going to get custody. Custody battles rarely turn on whether or not there is a preservation of marital fidelity. They tend to turn on, parenting skills, best interest of the child. How will the child thrive in this environment versus that environment? That's what they turn on. Fidelity may be the hallmark of a good marriage, but it's not necessarily going to be the hallmark of who gets custody and who doesn't. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.
248-588-3333. 248